chemical method of sterilization according to Food and Drugs Association are classified chemical disinfectant or three groups: high level, low level, intermediate level disinfectant. High level example aldehyde, plasma and ETO. Intermediate example phenyl and halogens. Low level example alcohol, surface acting agent. High level will kill bacteria, fungi, virus, mycobacteria and spores. Intermediate will kill bacteria, fungi, virus, mycobacterium but spores are doubt. Low level will kill bacteria, fungi, spores but virus and mycobacteria are doubt. First we see about alcohol. Chemical disinfectant method, mode of action and concentration is very important. So alcohol mode of action: dehydrate cell and disturb membranes and causing coagulation of protein. Example of alcohol: ethyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, methyl alcohol used in concentration of 60 to 80%. 70% ethyl alcohol are used as skin antiseptic. Isopropyl alcohol is more bactericidal and less volatile, used as a hand disinfectant. Then methyl alcohol used for killing fungal spores and biosafety foods. Second one is aldehyde. Mode of action of aldehyde: alkylation of amino carboxyl and hydroxyl group in protein and damage nucleic acid. Three types of aldehyde we are using: formaldehyde, glutaraldehyde and orthophthaldehyde. First we see about formaldehyde. Available concentration 37 to 40%. We are using formaldehyde maximum gas form only. Used for fumigation of rooms, chambers, operation theatre, biological safety cabinet, ward, sick room, etc. Second one is deckering, which is disinfection of animal wool and animal hair. Then this one also used for preserve animal specimen and cultures. Disadvantages of formaldehyde: highly irritant and toxic. Second one is glutaraldehyde, we known as Cytex. Cytex small repeated question, 2 mark question. Concentration 2% we are using. This one used for effective sterilization as well as disinfection of heat sensitive instrument like cystoscope, bronchoscope, laparoscopy, centrifuge, anesthetic equipment, enterotracheal tube, dialyzer, etc. Here two things are important. Sterilization means at least 6 to 8 hours tipping Cytex liquid. Disinfection means 20 to 25 minutes is adequate. Shelf lifetime of Cytex solution is 14 days. We can use again and again for 2 weeks. Third one is orthophthaldehyde. Concentration we are using 0.55% only. This one used similar to Cytex but it have more advantages. Stable at wide range of pH, less vapor property, non-irritant and better odor also. Better mycobacterial activity also it have. Then fourth one is halogens. Halogens are basically oxidizing agent. Mode of action: oxidative of essential sulfitrile group of enzyme. Halogen first one is chlorine component. Chlorine available in tablet are used for water disinfection, especially for water supply, swimming pool we are using. Then household bleach, available concentration 5 to 6%, used to disinfect of floors in a stock solution of 1:10 in water and infectious spill. Then second one is iodine component, which are used for tincture of iodine. 2% iodine in 70% alcohol we are using. Iodine for iodine coated on a neutral carrier molecules like polyvinyl pyroxyl iodine for slow release and less irritation, used for concentration of 10% of skin antisepsis. Then phenylic component, which are cold dark derivatives. Mode of action, disturbs cell membrane and denature of protein molecules. Here we are using 5% phenyl, 1 to 4% cerosol or 2 to 5% of lysol or phenylic component, used for disinfection of ward floor, discarding jar in laboratories, disinfection of wet pan. One thing we remember here, never used in skin antisepsis because they are skin corrosive. If we want used means we modified phenyl, we chlorinated them, they lose their corrosive action to the skin, then we will use it as antiseptic agent. So chlorinated 5-phenylic, there are less toxic and irritant. There are less active, more readily inactivated by organic material. Example, we used antisepsis hexachlorophene, chlorhexidine, chlorocyanol and triclosan. These are the components used for skin antiseptics. Markedly available form in Dettol, 10% of chlorocyanol. Savlon is mixture of chlorhexidine and centrimorium. These are act as surface acting agent. Surface acting agent mode of action, disturb microbial membrane. It have two types, cationic surface active agent, anionic surface active agent. Cationic, quaternary ammonium component. Example, centrimide and benzalkonium chloride using. Anionic example, soap. Then ethylene oxide or ETO gas. Mechanism of action, aldehydding agent, act as a aldehydding agent. This one is highly effective hemisterilant, used in the form of gas. This one is used for heat label or moisture sensitive articles such as bedding, rubber object, plastic, disposable gloves, syringes and fetish, prosthesis, complex apparatus like heart lung machine, respiratory and dental equipment. Then ETO. One cycle of ETO sterilization have 3 steps. Okay, it having 3 steps. First one is pre-conditioning, second one is exposure to gas, third one is post-conditioning. Pre-conditioning, it will take time 8 to 12 hours. Exposure to gas, it will take 4 to 8 hours. Then post-conditioning, finally remove that toxic vapor. So this one is very long cycle. Complete the cycle, it will take time 18 to 24 hours. Here 2 type of ETO sterilizers we are using, cold cycle and hot cycle. Cold cycle work in 37 to 44 degrees Celsius, hot cycle around 55 degrees Celsius. Then disadvantage, gas irritant to skin and mucous membrane, carcinogenic potential, inflammable and toxic. Last one is plasma gas, vaporized hydrogen peroxide sterilizer. A plasma is essential and excited gas, hydrogen peroxide, produced by adding energy in the form of electromagnetic radiation or microwaves applied in gas particles. Production of free oxygen radicals within the plasma field and thereby disturb the metabolism of microorganism. One cycle of plasma sterilization takes up to 60 to 75 minutes. The following steps we follow: vapor phase, injection phase, diffusion phase, plasma phase, vent phase. Temperature maintained between 30 to 60 degrees Celsius.